In order to facilitate a growth in the logging industry in the United States in the late 1800s, logging companies needed a more efficient way of retrieving their merchandise from the woods and getting it to market. Geared steam locomotives would be the ticket. Because they had smaller wheels than conventional rod locomotives that were built into trucks that could pivot along with deviations in the track, they were well suited to operating over crudely developed rights-of-way with superior adhesion and a good power-to-weight ratio. There are three main types of geared locomotives developed. Shay locomotives were built by the Lima Locomotive Works. Over 2,500 were built, and they were the most popular of the designs. 3 cylinders are mounted vertically on the engineer side, which then turn a crankshaft that runs longitudinally down the side of the locomotive. The shaft turns gears on the wheels. Because of all the machinery on the engineer side of the locomotive, the boiler is offset to the fireman's side. While the Shay was very successful, it was also the most expensive. Slightly over 1,000 Climax-style locomotives were built, but production ended much earlier than for the Shay or Heisler. Climax locomotives are equipped with 2 cylinders, mounted at an angle along the side of the locomotive that turns a transverse shaft that then connects to another shaft running longitudinally under the center of the locomotive. The longitudinal shaft is then connected to gears on the wheels. Cheaper than the Shay and slightly better over rough track, they were fairly popular until the Heisler was developed. Heisler locomotives were the last to be developed, but were the cheapest. They have 2 cylinders located underneath the boiler in a V pattern. These turn a crankshaft that runs down the center of the locomotive, which then turns gears on the wheels. The Heisler is the only type of geared locomotive to have drive rods, as the 2 wheels in each truck are connected together in this way. Heislers are also considered the fastest, with a top speed approaching 20 miles per hour. There were only around 600 Heislers built. If you've got an interest in steam locomotives and would like to learn more, check out some of the other videos on my channel, or any of the other cool stuff I've got posted.